guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Dr. Yazdan and I am a cosmetic dentist in Newport Beach, and this video is going to be talking to you about how to brush your baby's teeth. You might see my little one walking around in the back there. She's going to be our example today. So first of all, it's really important to establish good oral hygiene habits with your little ones from a really early age, like from the start of them having their first tooth. And kind of the rule of thumb is that you should take your baby to the dentist by the time that they have their first tooth or by the time that it's their first birthday. So I'm just checking on her to make sure she's okay. So with that said, some dentists will say no fluoride toothpaste until they're 2. Some will say at the start of 1 is okay. So you always want to make sure that you check with your child's dentist. For my daughter, I started using a fluoridated toothpaste for her as soon as she turned 1. Other than that, I just use plain water. I'm gonna go over a bunch of different toothbrushes you guys can use and all different types of techniques. But it's really important to start brushing your kids' teeth as early as possible. You guys can probably see her just walking around here. So we're also going to excuse both of our outfits because we are still in like really casual clothes. We're getting ready to go out, but you know, it takes time. So yeah, I just wanted to record this. So I'm in my sweats and she is in her pajamas and we're gonna get started. She's so cute. She's like hugging her little teddy bear. I've got to show you guys how cute this is. Say hi, Scarlett. Say hi, Scarlett. Ooh, you're good. I think the camera makes her a little nervous. All right, so a common question people ask is, should you brush your baby's teeth before or after breakfast? Or even your own teeth? I'm gonna tell you right now, it's better to brush before. That is what I do, that's what we do for Scarlett. That is what I teach people. And the reason is because as you sleep, bacteria accumulates in your mouth. And what happens is as soon as you sit down to eat breakfast, all of the acid from the foods you're eating and the bacteria in your mouth will get onto your teeth. So if you brush before breakfast or brush before eating, one, you help reduce the bacterial load in your mouth, but also what happens is you apply, because you use a fluoridated toothpaste, I hope you're using a fluoridated toothpaste, but what happens is the fluoride will actually act as a protective coat against all the acid and the bacteria that's there, and therefore when you actually eat, you are helping prevent cavities. So let's go into Scarlett's bathroom now and we're gonna be brushing her teeth. I'm gonna show you all that we do. So I always keep a lot of toys around the sink, and with toddlers, it's kind of like you get what you can get. With babies, with infants, you just get what you can get. So here, like I taught her how to turn on and off the faucet. She's playing with the toothbrushes right now. And as she's like kind of distracted, I come from the side. Come on, Mama. Thank you. I come from the side and I'll just kind of like wiggle the toothbrush in. And if they really don't let you, then using even a wet washcloth is really helpful. Come on, baby. Look, turn on the water. And you just want to kind of brush the teeth the best that you can. She's really not in the mood of letting me, but we'll see what we can get. And I kind of like, she keeps her lips really tight. So I will, come on, Mama.
Wow.
Wow. Scarlett, they can't see you now. Come on. Here, let me give that to you. Here we go. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. And then as soon as you get their little mouth open, you just brush as much as you can, as much as they'll let you. With these finger brushes, they sometimes bite your finger, and that is totally okay. It kind of hurts a little bit, but you just get used to it, and you know when they're gonna bite, and you just maneuver as you can. So we're gonna pretend Scarlett let us brush her teeth really well, even though she's kind of not. There we go, good job. And a lot of positive reinforcement is important, because we don't want this to be something that they absolutely hate. So I'm gonna stop with her right now. Okay, so a few important things to remember. One, if your child is not letting you brush their teeth, it's totally normal. Don't get frustrated. What you can do is just kind of try for like 20-30 seconds and then go back throughout the day into the area that you brush their teeth, their bathroom or whatever it is, and just try to get them to get used to the routine, and having you put something like on their teeth. And that's why I like the finger brush so much. So like I was showing earlier, I have like one that has some bristles on it. Always make sure they're soft. You want to run hot water over them to make the bristles really soft. And then we have one that's a finger brush like this. It's super easy to clean. I like this one because throughout the day, like as long as my hands are clean, I can kind of like practice with my finger and get her. That's what I did when she was really little. I would get her used to just having like my finger in there. And then when I have that toothbrush, it kind of just replaces my finger in a sense, and then we go back and forth, and she sometimes laughs, and sometimes she lets me brush her teeth for a really long time, but like you guys saw today, she wasn't really in the mood right now, so I don't want to make it a negative experience for her, so we just keep it light and positive, and you kind of just get what you can get. You'll know if you get a good brush or not, and if you don't get a good brush, then you want to make sure that you are going back a couple times a day and just practicing the routine and getting them really, really used to it. Baby teeth are not a trial run. I want you to hear me when I say that. They are not a trial run. They are so important. You want to make sure that you can keep your babies decay free and do everything you can to help prevent cavities, because them having those cavities can lead to cavities in the permanent teeth and other issues down the line, and we want to just try to avoid all of those. So the best thing is to get started as early as possible. If you haven't started yet, it is okay. Always take your child to their dentist so that you can get the best information for your child. For example, I know my daughter has really porous enamel, and that's why I started fluoride so early for her. Your child may have something else going on, and you just want to be aware of all the things that are going on with your child, their teeth, and everything. So if you have questions, make sure to drop them below this video. I will be answering them for you. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so that you get notifications every time I post a new video, and let me know what you're interested in seeing. I'm happy to share my knowledge with you, and I'm always over on Instagram. I respond to my DMs there, so if you have any questions, you can leave them there, or just leave comments below this video. I will be answering them. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. One more tip before I go. I also wanted to mention, it is worth noting that the colorful toothbrushes get your kids more interested in brushing their teeth. They like it, and then sometimes what I do throughout the day is I hand them to my baby and she'll chew on them because she's teething. So the colorful ones are really interesting to them, so you might want to keep that in mind. I just had to get this on video. So see how she's holding one in her hand and she's chewing on the other? That is ideal for babies getting used to having the toothbrush in. Scarlett, hi honey. Show everyone how much you love those toothbrushes. Oh, you're so cute. Good job. And also something that we do, I forgot to mention, is sometimes we have a song. So sometimes we will sing little toothbrushing songs together, and she gets used to the song and she knows that we're gonna brush her teeth. Now she wants to brush the bear's teeth. Very good. Good job, sweetheart. Good job. I know I talk about this finger brush and I personally love it, but getting them used to these other types of colorful brushes are good too. And just so you know, I used to use this one for her and she kind of just stopped letting me do it. So that's why we switched to the finger brush. So you'll rotate in and out. So Scarlett actually she wants to hold the toothbrush. She actually got ready. And Mama has to still get ready. Okay, see, she wants the toothbrush though, because it's colorful. She wants both. So Scarlett's now ready for the day. She's no longer in her pajamas. And now it's my turn to go finish getting ready for the day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now. Say bye, Scarlett. Scarlett, say bye. Say bye-bye. I know.